Lock and load.
You're gonna burn, all right.
It's dented.
I like to make a silent takedown. A bomb.
Need backup here.
But I've got nerves of steel. I'll take the GEP gun. Son of a bitch. How'd my face get all marked up with bioelectrics?
Goddamn terrorist.
What am I then? Bad? I'd like something to drink, but I don't have any money. That makes me one ugly son of a bitch. My vision is augmented.
Contact. I've got a contact.
Pretty much a skeleton crew you have here. I'm not big into books. Our governments have limited power by design. How long can your people hold off GEP gun? Does that mean I don't get the job? Son of a bitch.
Do a sweep. This sector's still alive.